Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can color match your background with your foreground videos in CapCut PC. So, for instance, I want this to be the background, of my video. And I'm just going to add in the foreground. Go to remove background and select auto removal, and I want to color match this with the background. Just scale it down a little bit here. So let's go to the adjustments tab, select color match. Sorry, it opened in the left frame, but I'm just going to select it from a frame and then I'm going to press the blue button. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry you can't see that. But as you can see, it kind of color matched it with the background. You can also adjust the intensity here. I'm trying to show it to you guys, but I can't move it for some reasons. It's on the left side of it's on my second monitor for some strange reasons. What if I placed it here? And then I did the... Still won't move. Oh, there we go. So you're just going to select it from a part of your video or from your files. Then select OK, and here you can adjust the intensity. This is a pro feature though. It's just so that it will look a little bit more seamless. I know because the cutout isn't perfect. Maybe if I used another video instead, it would look a little bit better. Maybe this one. Let me just remove that, and I'm just going to make her a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to do the color match again. So select it from the video, select OK, and you can adjust the intensity here. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!